welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Shruti Sinha and I'd be really happy if you subscribe to my channel. And I promise, I know I've been very irregular, but I promise I'm going to be consistent. I'll be posting a video every week. So I'll be posting dance videos, challenge videos, interactive videos, and I'm sorry for not being regular, but from now on I will be. I promise. Okay. So today's video is a Q&A. So I put out a story on Instagram and I asked you guys questions and I put out pointers that you'll see right here. So I asked for fun and interesting questions. Get to know me better. Don't ask questions about the people who are not in my life anymore. And I got a few questions which are very interesting. So I'll be answering those. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, question number 1 is, okay, I'll get to this question a little later, it's a little deep. I'll get to questions about me first. Okay, firstly, my name is Shruti Sinha. I'm 5 feet 7 inches tall. I'm 22 years old. What else? Basic questions. My favorite color is pink. Yeah, now we're done with that, so we'll get into the more technical questions. Okay, first question. How have you been dealing with this lockdown and the pandemic? Okay, this is the most asked question of 2020. Honestly, I know it has been hard for a lot of people. For me, I loved it. I loved the lockdown. Me and my sister had so much fun. We, created content, we played games, we cooked every day. We did so many things. I absolutely enjoyed myself. I was dancing. I was just like doing something or the other every day. I was at home in my own space, giving time to myself and having the best time of my life. I enjoyed the lockdown. Question number 2 is, how do you live with so much positivity? Do you never feel sad? P.S. I'm not jealous, I just want to know. Okay, I know you're not jealous. How do I live with so much positivity? I don't know. I'm not positive all the time, to be very honest. I have my sad days too. But I really like to look at everything positively. Even if something bad is happening, I really try to look at it like, oh, you know what, maybe this is happening for a reason and something good will happen. And I have full faith in this one statement that everything happens for a reason, because it does. And that is how I stay positive most of the time. I'm not positive all the time. You can ask my friends mostly. There are days when I'm just like, nothing's going right and what do I do? This is happening, that is happening. But I have my friends and family who tell me it's okay. This will pass and good things will happen. So, yeah, let's get to question number 3. Oh, this is from a fan page of mine, Shrutisina_lovers_. If you were left alone in a room, then what would you do? Interesting question. Depends on if I'm left in a room with my phone or not. Without phone, I'd probably sleep. With phone, then there are a number of things that I can do. I could watch something, I could play music and dance, I could do something. Without music, I'd sleep, because I don't know, that's what I did in Ace. Every time the camera was not rolling or we're not doing anything or task or something, I would just sleep. Okay, next question. Do you have an allergy from anything? I do. Honestly, I don't even know कि कितनी सारी चीज़ों से मैं allergic हूँ. I remember, I know one thing for sure, which is that tablet Pan-D. Oh my god, that's the worst. I cannot have Pan-D. That's an antacid tablet, the most basic one that every doctor prescribes. I'm allergic to that. I think I'm allergic to sun, because every time I step out, my skin is burnt. This part of my body just has boils. weird, I know. It's basic things. I have to get that test done where you get to know about allergies. I'm allergic to a lot of things. I don't even know how many. Okay, next question is, were you a nerd at school? No, bro. I sucked at studies, like so bad. I remember when I passed 11th class, my class teacher, who was also my accounts teacher, she checked my paper thrice to actually check if how did I pass? Even I don't know. It's actually a very funny story. All my friends told me कि हम ना रात भर बैठ के पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो मेरी ना हालत ख़राब हो गई कि all my friends will like get promoted to 12th and I'll be like oh shit, मुझे रीटेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने रात भर बैठ के पढ़ाई करना शुरू किया, और जब रिज़ल्ट निकला तो मुझे पता चला कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स सिर्फ फेंक रहे थे, उनमें से एक्चुअली कोई रात भर बैठ के पढ़ाई कर नहीं रहा था, और मैं पास हो गई. 12 people from my class got promoted to 12th. All of them were toppers and me, and I had no friends. For that 1 week, जब तक मेरे friends retest के लिए पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, I got so bored in school. I was like, what do I do? Where do I go? Can I please go home? Can I report sick? Can I do something? Yeah. Otherwise, that's the only time I studied in my 12th boards. Otherwise, I sucked at studies. Moving on. How many years did it take for you to stand on your toes? So, my ballet. It's, again, I have such funny stories, oh my god. So, I was supposed to learn ballet. Okay, so first you start with ballet slippers. वो कपड़े के होते हैं, उस पर आप ऐसे नहीं खड़े हो सकते हो. You can stand on your toes but not like on point. So me and my mom went to this shop in Khan Market to buy those slippers. जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे, I saw that and I was like, I want to buy those, जिस पे आप टो पे खड़े हो सकते हो. They're called the point shoes. And my mom said, ले लो, try करते हैं. So fun, no? Looks fun. And इतना pretty था. I bought it and I didn't tell anybody because we were not allowed to buy it until we finished the training of ballet slippers. But I bought it. I was like, घर पे try करेंगे. First day, I went and I did my class. Very nice, happy, done. I come back to my Noida studio. My sir's like, we're doing a piece for the workshop. He's like, you know, 2 point, buy those shoes. I was like, I already have those. He's like, you do? I was like, yeah, get it. Good, get it. We'll start your training. That day, I wore my shoes. I was on point. My training started on point. So, that's how it happened. But it takes a lot of practice. You never know. Try it. But do not try it just like that at home. You need like a proper teacher because it's very dangerous. You can break your feet. Yeah. Next question. Which school did you go to? It's called the Somerville School, Noida. The address is D89 Sector 22, Noida. I don't know why I remember it. It was written on my diary. Yeah. So I've done my schooling from SSN. I love my school. I don't know. When I was in school, I didn't like it as much. But now that I think of it, I love my school. Yup. Next question. What were your dreams as a kid? Was it always to be a dancer? Good question. No. No, my dream was not to become a dancer. I actually wanted to become a lawyer when I was very little. But when I came to my senses, that's when I realized, no, dance is something that I want to take up seriously. And I always wanted to be an actress. See, I don't know if you all can see it, there's a mark over here. I got it when I was very little. I wanted to come on TV. तो मुझे लगा कि टीवी के पीछे से टीवी के अंदर आते हैं ना. अब 4-5 साल के बच्चे का दिमाग इतना ही चलता है. So I took a run up. I jumped inside my TV and it fell and I got this cut. And I still have it after so many years. So yeah, I always wanted to do something on TV. Become an actress, dance. But before that I wanted to become a lawyer. जब मुझे पता चला कि उसमें इतनी पढ़ाई है, so I was like, just get out.
बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
But no, I think I think becoming a lawyer, if I was a lawyer, that would have been really cool. I'm really good at arguing, so I would have won. Okay, next. What makes your bond with AK so special? I think the fact that we're best friends. We were actually just sisters till 2016, till she moved to Bombay with me, because there's a 4-year gap between us. I was in school, she left for college, and I grew up when she was not around. So we were like sisters, but not like that. When she moved to Bombay with me, I was like, I'll introduce you to my friends, come. And we actually became best friends. So AK and I, AK is my sister Akriti, we're best friends, and that's what's so special about us. We share everything, every single thing. And yeah, she's the most annoying person on this planet, but I love her the most. Okay, next. Is Ikkudi your favorite song? I saw you always dancing on this song. Okay, it's not my favorite song, but it's a very special song because before going to Ace of Space, that's a show on MTV if you all don't know. Before going to Ace of Space, I was kind of having an artist block. Like, I couldn't make choreographies, I couldn't dance. So I was getting like really, So when I went to Ace of Space, and this one day I had a really bad day, and I was just told to just close my eyes and just dance, and then they played Ikkudi, and that's the time I danced. I was so happy. That's my most favorite video. I'll put it somewhere over here. I moved and I felt so happy when I did that. That is why it's a very special song, because every time I sad I play that and I'm just like happy, and I'm Ikkudi Jida Naam Mohabbat Gum Hai. That's me. Moving on. Where do you shop your clothes from? You really like my clothing? Thank you. Firstly, thank you so much. Where do I shop from? It's nothing specific. Like, I love जहाँ पे मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगता है. Like, this bodysuit is from H&M. H&M is like, yeah, अभी घर के पास सबसे ज़्यादा H&M सबसे पास है, तो मैं वहीं से शॉपिंग करती हूँ. But if I was in Delhi right now, all my clothes would have been from Sarojini. I love that place because what you get there, nobody else will have it. What you get there is damn cool. What you get there is damn cheap. You're getting my point? I love shopping from Sarojini. But otherwise, इधर उधर से जहाँ से अच्छा दिख जाए. I'm not like a brand person कि मुझे branded कपड़े चाहिए. No, I'm not one of those. Next. आप कभी स्कूल में सस्पेंड हुए हो? No bro. I was a very very good kid. हाँ, मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छी नहीं थी, बट मुझे ना रूल्स ब्रेक करने में बहुत डर लगता है. मेरी बहुत फटती है. कोई भी हो, कुछ भी रूल हो, मैं रूल्स ब्रेक करने में बहुत डर लगता है मुझे. तो मैंने कभी कोई रूल ब्रेक ही नहीं किया. मुझे बहुत पता नहीं, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड. आई थिंक दैट्स द सिलियस्ट थिंग एवर, बट आई एम डैम स्कैर्ड ऑफ ब्रेकिंग रूल्स. सो आई हैव टू बी लाइक, या यस मैम, ओके मैम. सो कभी सस्पेंड तो नहीं हुई मैं. Why do I talk like this? I just realized my hands go. Anyway, which was the show that you enjoyed the most? Roadies, Vitsula or Ace of Space? All the love to you. Favorite dancer. Thank you. All the love to you too. Which was the show that I enjoyed the most? I enjoyed Roadies the most. So all 3 shows I finished the entire journey. In Roadies I got out in the semi-finale, but that was just like the second last day. So I actually got to live the entire show, and I enjoyed Roadies the most because the gang leaders were there. I had the best company, I had the best tasks. I got beaten up in the tasks and I lost a lot of times, and I enjoyed it because my nose is damn itchy. Sorry. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I honestly don't know why, but that was the best. I think according to me, everyone should get a chance to live the roadies journey once. It's damn special. It's so beautiful. The places you get to go to, oh my god, you'll never experience all of that otherwise. So yeah, roadies is the answer. Next question is, which is your favorite Netflix series and YouTube channel? My favorite Netflix series, I can't choose one, but the one that I keep watching is Friends. Every time I sit with my food, I have to watch Friends. I love Friends. Other than that, I think Gossip Girl. I love Gossip Girl. Yeah, YouTube channel, mine. Okay, next. Shrew, how old are you? I am 22. I'm 1998 born. A lot of you don't believe me, but it's true. I'll show you my Aadhaar card by the end of this video. Okay, next question. Your one habit which you wish to leave but you can't. Okay, waking up late. I really want to be like in the 5 a.m. club, a member of the 5 a.m. club, but होता ही नहीं है. क्या कर, मैं सोती भी जल्दी हूँ पर मैं बहुत सोती हूँ, तो मेरे से वो waking up late is that one habit I want to get rid of. Moving on. Your first childhood dance performance. I think when I was in nursery, I wore this yellow frock and I danced on shaky, 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 shake it all apart, do the boogie boogie and turn around. Yeah, I think that would be my first childhood performance. Okay, next question. Who is more lazy, you or your sister? It has to be me. पूरे लॉकडाउन में मैंने घर का झाड़ू पोछा तो नहीं किया, वो सब मेरी बहन ने किया. खाना बनाती थी वो, मैं बस सब्जियाँ काटती थी, क्योंकि मुझे खाना बनाने का भी देती ही नहीं थी वो. She doesn't trust my skills. I also don't. मैंने बर्तन साफ़ करने का ट्राई किया था, और वो भी मुझसे हुआ नहीं, तो आई टोल्ड माई मॉम एंड कन्विंस्ड हर टू बाय अ डिश वॉशर कि चलो मेरा काम कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो मैं कुछ काम नहीं करती हूँ ऐसे. या सो आई एम डैम लेजी. आई एम वेरी लेजी. आई एम लेजी टू डिसाइड कि मैं कौन सा शो देखूँ. Reminder, drink lots of water. Haven't had water since morning, so yeah. Sorry. Next question. Do you practice every day? Okay, I don't. I used to, and I wish I could get back to that schedule, but now I don't, because I have something or the other, this audition, just shoot this video, click this photo for this plan, so I don't get a lot of time to do that, but I love to practice every day. It's the best feeling ever. Yeah, how much did you get in your 10th standard? Don't ask, because I don't even remember. It was bad. Next question. What is the first thing you notice about a person? What's the first thing you notice? I think the way they greet people, the way they say hi, I think that's the first thing I notice. If the hi is like, hi, I'd be like, good, hi. If the hi is like, hi, I'd be like, okay. That's the first thing I notice. Okay, next question is, what do you do for earnings? Okay, I get this a lot. So I'm a social media influencer. We promote brands and that's what we get paid for. The brands come to us or that are managing agency, and then they connect with us. We sit with a budget, and that's how we earn. With that, I also assist Mr. Feroz Khan, who's a Bollywood choreographer. So I assist him in a few projects, and that's how I earn. And like now, soon we'll be doing a web show, so I'll get paid for that. So there are different sources of income for me, but the major one is social media influencing. Okay, next question. AK and you are twins. No! She's 4 years elder to me, guys. Have you ever failed in any subject? I have. Well, no, actually मैं 33% पास होता था, तो मैं पास हो जाती थी. In my 3 boards I failed, but in my boards I was damn good. And I actually passed with such great numbers and my mom messaged everybody on the group, पप्पू पास हो गया.
अरे चाची, हम क्लास में पहला नंबर से पास हो गए नहीं.
अरे का भाई, पप्पू पास हो गया.
पप्पू पास हो गई.
हाँ भैया, पप्पू पास हो गई.
अब से कही पहली बार तो मेरे अच्छे नंबर आए, बता दो यार किसी को तो बता दो. My mom said, अरे पास हो गई, that's it. Okay, I think that was the last question. We're done with this video. That was a lot of fun. Y'all got to know me better, I hope. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming and watching the entire thing if you're still watching. I love you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to this video, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and press the notification bell. I memorized all of this because it's important and I've heard every YouTuber say it. I'm new to this. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm coming up with another video in like a week, so stay tuned.